Hi there, my name is Muneeb, and I'll be taking you through a guided tour of the new Rescare Homes Trust Workspace. First things first, on your desktop you'll notice an icon called Your Workspace. Clicking this will open a web page to the workspace using your default browser. You'll be prompted to log in. Use your email address and password to gain access to the workspace. Selecting to stay signed in is up to you. From here, you'll see the Rescare page. This contains a couple of tiles that relate to your specific role. For example, Finance will see Finance tiles, and HR will see their own tiles and services. On the right-hand side are announcements. These may be used by different departments to send out updates on goings-on within Rescare Homes Trust or any other information. On the top menu, select Personal. This will take you to your own personal workspace where you can add elements on the page how you want them. Click Add Tiles. This will take you to the App Store. From here, you'll have the option to view and add different tiles you'll have access to. Depending on your permission levels, you may be able to make your own tiles as well. I'll scroll down and find a service or tile that I think will be useful. Cloudland Client Portal. If I was looking for something specific, I could type it into the search bar and find it that way. For now, let's click Add to New Personal Group on the bottom right hand side of the window. You'll notice a new group that is being created called New Group. We can change this by simply clicking on the name and typing in what we want to call it. You may want to add more tiles to this group. Click on the plus icon within the group to be taken back to the App Store and find something to add. I'll add the calendar because I want to know what appointments I've booked in. Click Add to the name of the group that you've just renamed. Calendar is a live tile which provides live information. It's been displayed by default as a 4x4 square. This can be updated by selecting the three dots on the top right hand and selecting different sizes. Perhaps we'll go for 6x8. Moving the tile around is also quite simple. Simply click and drag it around to where you want within the group. Once satisfied, select Save. You can also add groups that have already been shared, such as Office 365. Select Groups on the top left-hand side of the menu, then from the list, there are a couple you can select. Once selected, they will be visible within your own personal tab. The workspace is also a great place to access your files. On the top navigation menu, select Documents. You'll be able to see your OneDrive data on the top left-hand side of the menu. Company Site will show you the data that you have access to. This is locked down by permissions as well, so only Finance will see Finance documents, Service Team Leaders will see things related to their role as well. Locate a file and click it to view. If it's a Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint document, by default, Office will try and open it if it's installed on your device. If not, right-click and select to open with Word Online. You can also set a preference to open online all the time if needed. From here, changes can be made without any issues, and changes made are live, which is great for collaboration. With that being said, there's also a version history to view what changes specific users have made, where you can revert them back to previous versions if needed. The last thing we want to talk about is searching. This is nice and quick and looks through the entire file system to find the information you're looking for. Simply click on the magnifying glass on the top menu, type in the word you're looking for that could be in the file name, and press enter. This will present a full list of files that fulfill your requirements. With that, I'd like to say thank you for watching the video, and hopefully you found it useful. Now it's time to enjoy the new way of working with your workspace.